Hey, I'm Michael with Deako. Today I'm going to help you choose the best Deako switches for your home. We'll explore how our most popular switches provide safety, security, and ambiance. Our top switches include the Smart Switch, Smart Dimmer, Simple Motion Sensor Switch, and Simple Dimmer. The Smart Switch offers a new standard for lighting. You'll love its hands-free operation, automated schedules, and whole home integration. The Smart Switch is an excellent upgrade for any living space. You can control your lights with your voice or the Deako app, and you won't have to get up from the couch. Add one to your entryway to turn off all of your Deako smart devices with one long press on your way out the door, so you won't have to worry about leaving any lights on ever again. Use the Smart Switch to schedule outdoor lights that welcome you home every night. You'll deter burglars, and you won't have to fumble for your keys in the dark. And you won't have to deter burglars while fumbling for your keys. That's a bad combination. Our next star is the Smart Dimmer. Use the Smart Dimmer to unwind in your bedroom after a busy day with relaxed lighting. It's also a great choice for the dining room, where you can set the mood before dinner. You can enjoy the Smart Dimmer's ambiance through voice control or the Deako mobile app. And Smart Dimmers are part of the Deako smart lighting system, which means they also turn off when you use the long press on the Smart Switch on the way out the door. Our third top switch is the Deako Simple Motion Sensor Switch. While it's not a smart device, the Simple Motion Sensor offers lighting automation in laundry rooms, pantries, or any room that you might enter with full hands. The Simple Motion Sensor turns on when you walk in, and it's set on a timer to turn off a few minutes later, so you won't waste power when you forget to turn off the lights. Heads up, the Simple Motion Sensor switch only works where one switch controls the light. So it doesn't work in stairs or hallways where two or more switches control the same light. We'll cover these technical considerations in our next video, ordering Deako switches. The last switch that we'll cover today is the Deako Simple Dimmer. The Simple Dimmer doesn't offer hands-free control like the Smart Dimmer. Instead, you get dimmable lighting with a simple slider.
Put the Simple Dimmer anywhere you want relaxing lighting, like your bedroom or the kids' room.
Put a smart switch on your outdoor lights to automate your exterior lighting. And add a smart switch to your entryway to turn off all of your Deako smart devices when you leave your house. Install smart switches and smart dimmers everywhere for a whole home smart lighting system. Add the Simple Motion Sensor Switch to the pantry and laundry room for simple automated lighting. Put the Simple Dimmer in offices and guest rooms where ambiance is a priority, but hands-free automated lighting isn't. In the next video, we'll cover the technical considerations when ordering Deako switches. By the end, you'll know how to order the right mix of switches so your upgrades install without a problem. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of any new videos that we're putting out.